Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zoe and today we're going to be doing this Fenty Beauty vacation slash beach look. I don't know. I wanted to feature the Fenty Beauty Killawatt foil highlighter, the Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. I wanted to do a look like this just because it's been so crappy over here where I live. So I just needed to do a look that reminds me of the beach. So here we are. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. All right, so starting off, I'm just going to take my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer and apply this all over. All right, and now I'm actually going to go in and color correct a little bit. I'm just going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit and take this center shade here, the coral shade, and just go over these weird dark spots that I have that won't go away. All right, now taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation, I'm just gonna take this and apply it all over. And with this foundation, you do wanna work relatively quick because it dries down super fast. All right, and then just taking my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, I'm just gonna take this and put a little bit on my lids, well, really the brow bone. And this is in the shade Caramel. Blend that out. All right, and now taking my Fenty Beauty Match Stick, this is in the shade Truffle. I'm just going to take this and use it for contour today. This is my first time using this, so we'll see. And I'm just taking my brush and wiping it across the stick. Just use this as a contour. Oh, very nice. Just gonna blend that out. I really like that. All right, and now taking my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Ginger now, I'm gonna use this to conceal. All right, I'm just gonna give this a second and then blend it out. All right, now we're ready to blend. All right, now taking my MAC Paint Pot and Painterly, I'm just going to apply this on my lids. And I'm just gonna blend out the edges. All right, and now I'm just gonna take my Laura Mercier setting powder and I'm just going to set the under eye and the lids. All right, and now for my favorite part, I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Killawatt foil highlighter, and this is in Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. Looks like this, so pretty. I've already tried this and this is a really, really pretty highlight. And I do prefer the pink a little bit more, but the orange is really pretty, and that's actually what we're going to be focusing on today. So I am going to take Mimosa Sunrise and apply this on my lids. And you do have to build this up if you want to wear it on your eyes, but it really is so pretty. I love this color. All right, now taking a small blending brush, I'm just gonna go back in and blend out the edges of that. And this is pretty because it's like, the more sheer that it gets, it's like more yellow. And it's just so pretty. And now I'm just gonna take the same color and kind of just give a wash under the eyes as well. All right, so the eyes are done. Now I'm gonna take Mimosa Sunrise again and sweep this on my cheeks. And I'm using this big fluffy brush because I want a very sheer wash of this color because I don't wanna be looking crazy. Now taking my Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter in Mean Money and Hustler Baby, I'm gonna take this and layer this over Mimosa Sunrise. All right, and now I'm finally gonna take the setting powder off. I'm just gonna dust it away. And I wanted to wait to do this just because I didn't want the highlighter to get too far, like, under my eye. All right, and now going again back into Hustler Baby over here, I'm just gonna take this down the bridge of my nose, hit my brow bone, up here, Cupid's bow. And I'm actually just gonna take my finger and just hit the lid with that, just for an extra pop. All right, and then last for the eyes, I'm just gonna take Hustler Baby one more time and just hit the inner corners with this. All right, and now just taking my Guerlain Terracotta bronzer, I'm just gonna bronze up the skin. All right, and you guys know I've been wearing my brows untamed, so nothing has changed. I'm just going to groom them up and over, and then I'm just gonna set them with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel. This is an Espresso. All right, and now I'm just gonna take my NYX Felt Tip Liner and bring my mole out. All right, now taking my Makeup Forever Mist and Fix Setting Spray, I'm just going to set my face. All right, and now I'm just gonna take my Tarte Maneater Mascara and coat my lashes. And now taking my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb and Fenty Glow, I'm just going to apply this on my lips. All right, and last, I'm gonna be taking my Body Lava in Brown Sugar and just apply this on my body, well, on my chest. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this Fenty Beauty vacation / beach look. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, and check out my other videos while you're here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. How did hair get in here? We're gonna get this right. We're gonna get this right. I just got this all in my eye. Let's just get in focus here. Come on.